The song is played in the key of B minor. We have two flats, C sharp and F sharp. The chords for the intro and the verse are the same. The first chord is a B minor 7, which is similar to the B minor chord. On the left hand we have B octaves. On the right hand we have A and D. Together this gives us B minor 7. The second chord we have G major. On the left hand we have G octaves. On the right hand we have the A and D. The third chord is a D major. On the left hand we have D octaves. On the right we have A, D, and F sharp. The last chord is F sharp minor. On the left hand we have F sharp octaves. On the right we have A, C sharp. So again, B minor 7. G major, D major, and F sharp minor. So now we'll look at the rhythm of how this is played. As mentioned, the intro and the verse has the same chords, except the intro has this added melody. D, E, D, B, D. And repeat this again for the second time. Then it's D, E, D, E, F sharp. F sharp, E, D, C sharp. So we'll play this again. Now we're going to start with the verse, which is pretty much the same chords without the melody. And we play this twice. Now we come to the pre-chorus. The first chord is G major. On the left you have G octaves. On the right you have G and B. The second chord is A major. On the left we have A octaves. On the right we have E, A, and C sharp, which is the second version of the A major triad. And we played these two chords twice. So there's this added melody while we're playing this. B, C sharp, D, E, and C sharp, D, E. And for the second time, you play C sharp only while playing the A major chord. Okay. this brings us to the chorus, where instead of solid chords, we are playing arpeggios. The first chord is G major. On the left, we have G. On the right, we have G, B, D. Second chord, we have A major. Left hand, we have A. Right hand, we have E, A, and C sharp. Third chord, we have D major. Left hand, we have D. Right hand, we have F sharp, A, and D. And then last chord, we have B minor. On the left, we have B. Right hand, we have F sharp, A, and D. We repeat this pattern again. So A major, D major, B minor, and at the end of this, we end with a solid G major chord and A major. Finally, we end with the D major arpeggio chord. So you'll notice on the left hand, instead of the octaves, I like to do the 1, 5, 8 while I'm playing the arpeggios on the right hand. G, A, and then we end with the D major. Now for the second verse, this time around we are going to play arpeggios with the same chords as before. Instead of playing it twice, we play this pattern only once around. And then for the pre-chorus, like last time, we're going to play the simple melody, except we'll be playing it with arpeggios. And this brings us to the chorus, which is pretty much the same. G major, A major. This brings us to the ending, in which we will play E minor 7, and then A major, D major, G/C sharp, and then B minor. And we repeat this pattern again. And then finally G and A major. And that's it.